Alrighty then, Rhino. Our boss sent us on a very important mission. This is our one chance at wine, women, and song.
And women.
Don't forget women. Alright, so what are we here for?
Boss put us on the cookie,
Pumbabada Bird?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get ready. Uh-oh, I forgot the flash. Hold on. You set the flash. Be careful with it. It's like one of those really old antique lights.
Malcolm, please. I didn't spend 3 years carrying on to be stupid. I'm stupid. A blue pill.
Pumbabada Bird.
Yeah, got her anytime.
It's there! Pumbabada Bird! The flash! The flash! Right on the flash! The Pumbabada! The flash! The flash! Right on the flash! Take the photo! Take the photo now!
What? Oh, right!
Oy, oy. 3 years in kindergarten and you're still this stupid.
I just got the picture.
Yeah, we did get the picture.
Oh, my thumb.
Yeah, it's your thumb.
Hey, now I have a chance with that.
Pumbabada Bird. Learn it.
Subscribe!